Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable Android device management in Google Workspace. This feature is essential for administrators who need to monitor and secure company devices, giving you control over mobile endpoints accessing your organization's data. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to admin.google.com, which takes you directly to the Google Admin Console. You'll need to sign in using your Google Workspace administrator account. Make sure you have the proper credentials ready, as only admin accounts have access to these security settings. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Admin Console homepage. Before proceeding, take a moment to verify you're viewing the correct organization. You can check this using the Organization Unit selector in the top left corner if your workspace has multiple organizational units. This step ensures any changes you make apply to the right group of users and devices. From the homepage, locate and click on Devices in the left-hand navigation menu. This section houses all your device management tools and is where you'll configure mobile security policies for your organization. If you don't see devices immediately, look through the navigation options as it may be nested under another category. Next, click on Mobile and Endpoints. This subsection specifically handles smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices that connect to your workspace. It's the central hub for managing how these devices interact with your company's apps and data. Now you'll want to access the configuration options. Click on Settings or Settings and Rules if that's what appears on your screen. Different workspace configurations may show slightly different labels, but the function remains the same. Within the Settings area, look for and click Universal Settings. This section contains organization-wide policies that apply broadly across your device management strategy. Then, under Universal Settings, click Mobile Management. This is where you'll activate the actual device monitoring and control features. Here's the crucial step. Ensure the mobile management option is set to Basic. If you see a toggle or drop-down menu, select Basic to enable fundamental device management capabilities. This gives you essential oversight without requiring the most advanced enterprise features. After making your selection, click Save to apply the changes. Some interfaces may show Apply or Done instead, so look for the button that confirms your settings. Finally, watch for a confirmation banner or message at the top of the page. This notification verifies that mobile management has been successfully enabled for your Google Workspace. With Android device management now active, you can begin enrolling devices and implementing security policies. Thanks for watching.